New product.
So I got this makeup brush cleaner system on Amazon with some brush cleaner soap because I wanted to try something different as I have carpal tunnel. So scrubbing my brushes on the mat hurts my hands, and this is just so much easier to use because I'm not using a repetitive motion. The only thing I'll say is the button is super sensitive, so you can accidentally touch it and it'll turn on and start spinning when you don't want it to. But basically all you do is put the soap in there with some water, turn it on, and you press your brush down into it, and it just gets all the makeup off. And then you just rinse it underneath the water and you're done. You can even put mini beauty blenders in there, and I was just so shook at how easy this is where I don't have to keep using that repetitive motion because that shit really does hurt my hands. I hate having carpal tunnel, so only thing is I wish the ball was a little bit bigger. But you can clean more than one eyeshadow brush at a time, but if it's a bigger brush, you could only clean one at a time. And you just turn it off, dump the dirty water, and put some clean water in. That's pretty much it. Then I got this on Amazon, and it was only like $15.99 or something like that. So yeah, total game changer for people that have arthritis or carpal tunnel, tendonitis, sciatica. Yep, you should go ahead and buy it now.